Hello guys, in this lecture we will discuss about the transformer coupled amplifier circuit. So here first of all we will discuss in detail about the advantage and disadvantage of the transformer coupled amplifier, and then we will discuss about the various applications of transformer coupled amplifier circuit in electronics. So if you want to watch the previous lecture, then you can click at the I button, then you can watch the previous lecture, then you can continue to watch this lecture. So in this lecture we will first of all we will discuss about the advantages of transformer coupled amplifier. So there are various advantages of using transformer coupled amplifier. So first advantage is that you can get an excellent impedance matching. In case of the RC coupled amplifier, impedance matching was very poor, so you can replace that circuit and use the transformer coupling method. Then you can expect that impedance matching will be far better than the RC coupled amplifier. Second advantage is that the gain which is achieved using the transformer coupled amplifier is higher. There will be no power loss in the collector and base resistors in case of the transformer coupled amplifier. And the fourth advantage of using transformer coupled amplifier circuit is that the operation of transformer coupled amplifier circuit is very efficient. Its efficiency will be high in comparison to the RC coupled amplifier circuit. Now we will discuss about the various disadvantages of using transformer coupled amplifier. So there are various disadvantages of using transformer coupled amplifiers. So few of them are mentioned here. So first disadvantage is that although the gain is high in case of transformer coupled amplifier, it varies considerably with frequency, hence a poor frequency response. So due to its poor frequency response, its frequency response curve will varies with the change in the frequency. It means we can expect only up to very less frequency range that we will get constant frequency or constant variation of the frequency. Otherwise its frequency will change continuously as we are changing the frequency. And second disadvantage is that frequency distortion is higher, so it is due to the poor frequency response. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the frequency response of the transformer coupled amplifier, and we observed that the frequency response of the transformer coupled amplifier was not that good. It was very bad, or you can say frequency response of the transformer coupled amplifier was very poor. So due to that it has very high frequency distortion. Third disadvantage is that transformers tend to produce the humming noise. So as we are aware about the transformer, that transformers produced humming noise due to the electromagnetic field effect. So this humming noise is not desirable, it is undesirable. So this is one of the disadvantages. And the fourth disadvantage is that transformers are bulky and costly. So transformers are heavy and bulky, and they are costly in comparison to the resistor capacitor coupling method. Resistor capacitors are very cheap in comparison to the transformers, and direct coupling method is also cheaper than the transformer coupled amplifier circuit. So we can say that transformer coupled amplifier circuits are bulky and costly in comparison to the direct coupling and resistor capacitor coupling method. So this is one of the disadvantages of transformer coupling method. Now we will discuss about the applications of transformer coupled amplifier circuit. So there are various applications of transformer coupled amplifier circuit in electronics. So first application is that they are mostly used for impedance matching purposes. So you can take an example that in RC circuit there was poor impedance matching, so we can replace the RC coupling method by transformer coupling method, and we can take that advantage. So we can overcome the problem of poor impedance matching in RC circuit by replacing transformer coupled amplifier. So here we can expect that impedance matching will be uh, good, or it will be better than the RC coupling method. Second application is that they are used for the power amplifications. It means that they are used in the power amplifiers. And third applications is that they are used in a in applications where the maximum power transfer is needed. For example, you can take loudspeaker. In loudspeaker we need to use transformer coupled amplifier circuit, because loudspeaker consumes a lot of power. So for that purpose we can use transformer coupled amplifier. And now the fourth application is that they are used in the high frequency amplifiers like RF and IF range. Here RF is radio frequency range and IF is intermediate frequency range. So such as we can take example radio receivers and TV receivers. In radio receivers and TV receivers, transformer coupling method or transformer coupled amplifier circuits are used. So these are the various applications of the transformer coupled amplifier circuit. So guys, if you like this video, then you can hit the like button and you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.